So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as you all know that from 1st September the central government has announced Unlock 4, and in that Unlock 4 about education, about schools and colleges, it was announced that from 21st September the students of 9th to 12th can go to their schools if they want to discuss anything with their teachers and all. But otherwise all the educational institutes like schools, colleges and coaching centers, they will remain closed till 30th of September. But now a big breaking news has come that although the government has advised the states to keep their educational institutes closed, but still some states are considering to open their schools and colleges in the month of September only. So what is the reason behind that? That many states are thinking that if they will not open their educational institutes, it will be a big loss for the students. So now we have to see which are these states and why are they thinking of opening their schools and colleges on which date of September. So keep watching the video till last, because I'm going to tell you the names of those states and why are they considering and on which date they are planning to open their educational institutes. So first of all, let me tell you that I have already uploaded one video in which I told you that one state, Meghalaya, has already announced that they have opened their institutes from 1st of September, although with a proper protocol. So now apart from Meghalaya, Mizoram is also another state which is planning to open the schools and colleges. Then Nagaland is also another state. So these three states, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland, their population is also very less. Moreover, there the corona cases are also very less. So that's why they are planning to open their schools and colleges in the month of September only. In the already they have planned to open them. So actually the central government has allowed the states to decide themselves. So that's why they are deciding itself. So now we talk about another state, that is Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh is also a state, the government of which is planning to open their educational institutes from 15th September only, and they have started the process of sanitization of their schools also. So now apart from these four states, another state is Rajasthan. The government of Rajasthan is also planning to open their schools from 21st of September only. Then comes Maharashtra, Gujarat and West Bengal. So these three states are also planning that they will not go by the guidelines of the central government, and they have planned that they will open their schools from mid of September. So those students, those subscribers who keep on asking me from different states whether their schools will open or not, so this is a great news, this is a big news for them, and this is a good news for those students also, those who are willing to go to their schools, those who are missing their schools. So keep watching my videos and do subscribe to the channel and share this video with others also if you want latest updates related to education and if you want to improve your English. Thank you everybody.